Today we're leaving the beach at Southbourne, walking towards Hengistbury Head and Muddyford. The weather's getting brighter, however it's still very windy. Hengistbury Head is a fascinating place, not only for its wide variety of habitats, including heathland, grassland, scrub, woodlands, freshwater wetland and coastland, but also for its internationally important archaeology and geology.
These diverse habitats create homes for over 500 plant species and 300 types of birds, as well as a superb variety of insects, reptiles and small mammals, which include adders, skylarks, sand lizards and natterjack toads, one of Britain's rarest creatures.
You can just about see the Isle of Wight in the distance. Looking back down the beach towards Bournemouth. This sculpture is known as Ramdev, made by Bryony Marshall, aims to remind people of the unknown vastness of time. Looking over Christchurch Harbour with the Priory in the distance. This Banksy-style artwork appeared overnight a few years ago. It was painted by a Hampshire-based street artist known only as Hendog. This station is one of 57 stations manned by 2,600 volunteers and bridges a crucial gap between the stations and the Needles on the western tip of the Isle of Wight and Swanage to the west. Quarry Pond is a freshwater habitat. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The colourful common heather, Calluna vulgaris.
Muddyford Sandbank is a unique and beautiful sandspit which adjoins the ancient headland of Hegginsbury Head and forms a natural barrier between Christchurch Harbour and the open sea.
Some of these beach huts are selling for around £450,000.
This is the land train that connects the Muddyford Ferry with Southbourne and ultimately Boscombe and Bournemouth.
The Muddyford Ferry operates between Muddyford Quay and the beach at Muddyford Sandbank, approximately every 15 minutes. The harbour is sheltered from the strong winds we saw earlier. Across the waters, the Black House, which has been made into holiday flats. A popular all-year-round activity in Muddyford is crabbing, with crabbing buckets and lines on sale at the Haven House Inn gift shop. The old Customs House, a 16th century Grade 2 listed building and only one of 7 cottages on the quay. And the Muddyford Lifeboat Station. The lifeboat carries out approximately 60 rescues each year. There's been a lifeboat station here since 1963. There's been an alehouse here from as early as 1699. The district was notorious for smuggling. In 1784 the inn played a central role in the Battle of Muddyford, a violent conflict between a gang of smugglers and naval revenue officers.
Hope you've enjoyed this extremely windy walk today. We're about to leave here and walk to Christchurch, where you can join us in the video linked at the end.
Thanks for watching. please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.